All right, guys, it's May the 2nd, 2024, and we're going to do a honey harvest in here today. It's 81 degrees out here. We're trying to pull that autumn olive honey off before it starts black locust. So I'm going to kick you in a time lapse and let's see how far we can get. Alright then, guys, I don't know how much of that video I got. Had some technical issues, but we went through this whole yard and we harvested the honey off. I had Dawn Dickerson down here helping me today. We got a pretty good bit of honey. We'll count it up when we get down to the truck, but the yard looks like it's a lot more manageable right now. So, it's hot. I think that sucker's still going there. But you're not gonna get it sitting on the couch. So let's get this honey down here and we'll count up these boxes that we got from this Keystone yard. I'm in my yard in Keystone, McDowell County, West Virginia. Today is May the 2nd, if I haven't said that already. It's been as high as 85 degrees today. We worked out from under the umbrella and we're gonna get down these steps here. See our honey haul on this truck from this yard. I still got 2 more yards to harvest. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get them done. A smaller amount of honey there. So 18 boxes from this yard. Alright then, guys, it's our first pull from yard number 1 in Keystone in the cooler. It's 18 boxes. Alright then, we got more to bring in tomorrow.